there is a date,
Okay.
and each way I've got a relief from say today is 16th, 17th to
Mm-hmm.
17th, 20th to 26th. I've got little relief.
Mm-hmm.
So as desired, I'm getting the needful done, and that will be uploaded after some time. That is the
You have to share it because see,
ah.
it need not to be very long,
No,
and
no, sir. It is what I am have understood, and what I am going to do is
mm,
individually a person. The one clip will be attached from the clips which you have uploaded.
mm-hmm.
That we have gone through this kind of conversation, and we have understood the concept in one line, two lines only.
Mm-hmm.
I so and so I have seen this video, and I am keen, and I take the pledge of so and so.
कर्नल शर्मा, मेरे ख्याल से अभी हमने आज एक डॉक्यूमेंट शेयर किया है,
जी सर.
और उसमें आप तो ऐप से जुड़े हुए हैं हमसे,
Ah,
तो
sir.
ऐप में जाके
I just saw you have posted something on this thing also, Insta also right now. Sorry, this thing.
RTI.
Alright, type. Huh.
Yeah, so
Uh,
basically I will still suggest you go to app and read the document. Now it
right.
is a very concise document of अच्छे भारत का संकल्प,
हाँ, sir.
which specify कि अच्छा भारत होगा कैसा.
हाँ जी, sir.
तो वो
Just
बहुत
one.
ज़रूरी है कि अच्छा भारत, तो बहुत सारे जुमलेबाज भी अच्छा भारत कहते हैं ना. तो
जी, sir.
अच्छे भारत का कंटूर क्या है, मुझे लगता है जो आप बार बार मांग कर रहे थे ना कि साहब
जी,
कोई
जी.
प्लेज बना दीजिए, तो वो हमने
जी.
प्लेज बना दी है, बल्कि
Oh,
दो अलग अलग प्लेज बनाई है. एक अच्छे भारत की है और
yeah.
एक चंद्रगुप्त की भी प्लेज है. मतलब
Rogers.
जो जो थोड़ा सा वो रखते हैं कि उन्हें एक रिप्रेजेंटेशन भी मिलना चाहिए. तो
Right.
यदि वो गांव में नंबर 1 आते हैं तो सरपंच बनने का मौका मिलेगा, पार्षद, मेयर, जिला
Understood.
पंचायत अध्यक्ष, विधायक, सांसद, मंत्री, मुख्यमंत्री, प्रधानमंत्री, सब बनने का मौका मिल रहा है. तो दो अलग अलग डॉक्यूमेंट हैं. एक डॉक्यूमेंट है जिसमें केवल अच्छे भारत का संकल्प है,
और ये
और
अटारिया पे है ना सर?
हाँ, तो ये
इट्स
आप
पीडीएफ डॉक्यूमेंट सर.
ये ऐप में है, आप ऐप में जाके देख लीजिए. और
ठीक है.
मेरे ख्याल से हम उस भाषा में यदि शपथ लेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा.
Will be done, sir.
उससे
I was
उससे फायदा
looking
क्या
for
रहेगा, उससे फायदा क्या रहेगा कि
the
वो अच्छा भारत क्या है वो अपनी शपथ में ही कहेगा ना. अच्छे
doubt.
भारत का मतलब है कि कर्ज मुक्त भारत, टैक्स मुक्त भारत. अच्छा भारत का मतलब है कि प्रशासनिक व्यवस्था ऐसी होगी. अच्छे भारत
Right.
का मतलब है कि हमारी न्याय व्यवस्था ऐसी होगी. अच्छा भारत का मतलब है जैविक संसार होगा. अच्छे भारत का मतलब है कि हम कर्ज मुक्त भारत मिलेगा, टैक्स मुक्त भारत मिलेगा. तो वो
Understood.
उसकी
This is
पूरी
what I was actually looking for, the lines, tagline, so that it is very brief and concise, and within a minute
नहीं,
everything is
शपथ
spoken, sir.
शपथ मेरे ख्याल से पूरी लिया जाए, क्योंकि
जी.
शपथ लेते लेते उसे वो कंटूर समझ में आएंगे ना
Okay.
कि
So it will be
उससे वो ये
about
नहीं है,
how
शपथ
many
में नहीं
minutes?
लिखा हुआ है. पहले अच्छा भारत लिखा है, फिर संकल्प है.
ठीक है, sir. And Sankalp will be approximately, before I just go there and say it, it will take approximately how much time, sir? 1 minute, two
It will
minutes,
take
3 minutes?
a minute.
Oh, okay, done, sir. I think because what you have done, I found it very good, sir. I must appreciate that. That video conversation which we had that day, it became very huge, sir. I think it went to 50 or 45, 50, 60 minutes तक चला गया था,
Then
sir.
I cut it into the 3 minute
Yes,
pieces
sir.
also.
Exactly. Precisely, sir. So you cut it into 4, 5 minutes each,
3
and
minutes each.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. So when I saw that, I felt very happy about it, because that is what was my aim. That no one in this world has got the time right now to see such a long videos.
I am saying
So
out of many, you identify one which you feel may be crux.
yeah, exactly, sir, which matches to your thought process at
Right.
that particular time of that, sir.
That, so
So I felt very happy about it, and in fact, I have downloaded that. And I was planning, since I was not having this pledge in my thing, so I was planning to attach those kind of videos first, that clip, and then in the
now
individual's
you
video,
share
taking
both.
it there.
Basically, what you should do, you should
Yeah.
share that, you should take the copy from your app, or
ठीक है,
even
sir.
from whatever. I mean, right?
Right, sir.
And then जो है they can take the place by opening that document. So
Roger.
it will serve both the purpose. For opening, they will be joining app also, because it is available on app.
Roger.
मतलब document is otherwise not available. It's available on app only. So
Right.
they will download app and they will be in position to see the PDF file, right? And they can read it also. So
Right.
both the purposes will be served.
हाँ,
मतलब
और
they
मेरी वो
will
हम्बल
download the
रिक्वेस्ट,
Crime Free
हाँ,
Bharat app also, and everything will happen, right? So
Rogers,
detail में I
Rogers.
will talk to you little later. I just thought
Same
you
thing, sir.
flagging it,
Yeah.
right?
Right, sir. And my only humble request, which I posted you a small audio, since I was not getting you that time, that dear and dear nature, it is, you can understand what is happening in my life and what I am going through. So, and I don't want that content, I want that something, crux should be uploaded, and individually, small pockets में वो आएगा आपके पास. तो इसको आप अदर वे न लीजिएगा कभी कि मतलब अगर मेरे से देर हो रही है तो आई एम ट्राइंग टू डिले इट और बिकॉज ऑफ डेलिब्रेट रीजंस और समथिंग.
इसमें कोई देर ही नहीं है. आप महापरिवर्तित भारत की बात कर रहे हो.
जी सर.
It is not the dream of many, right?
सर.
Okay, thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.
जय हिंद सर, जय भारत सर. Thank you so much sir. And regards for and best wishes for the upcoming Dhanteras and Happy Diwali. Though
Thank
we'll
you.
try
Same,
to
same to
public
you.
sir.
Same to you.
Same to us and entire family, from our family to your entire family sir.
Right. Thank you.
प्रणाम सर. जय
Okay,
हिंद सर.
नमस्कार. जय हिंद. जय भारत. वंदे मातरम. जय गुरु.